Today I'm going to show you how to create a picture-in-picture in CapCut. Alright, I want to create a picture-in-picture over here. We call it PIP, or picture-in-picture. And essentially what we are going to do is, let's go over here to media, and we will have a video clip. And we're going to put this video clip in here. Now, this video clip that you see, we will use this or refer to this as our main clip. Now what we want to do is go down and look for a clip that we would like to add in as a picture-in-picture. So I'm going to use this one over here. I'm going to click down and I'm going to drag it to this timeline, and I'm going to put it above our main video here. I just want to make it the same length. Now, when you click on it, you can do a number of things. You can take this clip and you can use the crop. So just click right over here. We can crop it. I would like to crop it into a 9:16. Kind of want to frame it round about there. You can just sort of look at more or less where the person is going to be. Okay. And we can say confirm. And now you'll see that this is a picture-in-picture. Now, there is another way of doing this. Of course, you can change the size of it, the scale, but ultimately what we want to do is we want to change the scale of this as it stands. So what we can do is we can literally over here on the right just go like this. We're going to make it 50%. We're going to put it over here in the corner, and if you want to give it a border, you can do so. You can just pull it in like that, and you can move it about left and right like this. So that looks pretty good. Now, when you play your video, this is what it will look like. You've got your main video clip, and you've got your picture-in-picture video clip.